OnePlus has launched its new Ace series phone in China called OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K 8T LTPO curved OLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 4,500 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and it has Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 750 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12, 16 or 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro sports a triple camera setup under the circular ring at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX890 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6,100 mAh battery, with 100-watt super flash charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on ColorOS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.3 by 75.27 by 8.95 millimeters, and it weighs around 207 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in greenfield blue, porcelain white, and titanium silver color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from July 3rd. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus Ace 3 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.